In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Murf Voiceover with video. We'll start inside Murf Studio. Open the app and create a new project, or open an existing one you're working on. A clear project name can help you stay organized, especially if you revisit it later. Now upload your video file into the timeline. You can drag and drop it or use the upload option. Give it a moment to process. Once it appears on the timeline, skim through the video to spot key visual moments you'll want your narration to hit. Things like scene changes, on-screen text, or a specific action. Next, let's generate your voiceover. Type or paste your full script into Murf's text editor. Then choose a voice that matches your tone: casual, professional, energetic, or something more neutral. When you click Generate, Murf creates audio blocks in the timeline below your video. Each block represents a section of your script, which makes it easier to adjust parts of the narration without affecting the entire track. With the basics in place, it's time to fine-tune the timing so the words and visuals feel connected. Start with pauses. Use the Add Pause feature to insert moments of silence right where you need the visuals to breathe. For example, if a logo animates on screen or an action unfolds, drop in a short pause just before or after the related line so the narration doesn't rush past the moment. Small, intentional pauses can make your voiceover sound more natural and give your audience time to absorb what they're seeing. If a line consistently lands too early or too late, adjust the voice speed for that specific block. Speeding up a block helps the line finish sooner to catch an earlier cue. Slowing it down stretches the delivery to match later movements on screen. Keep these changes subtle to maintain a natural sound. A slight adjustment is often all you need for the words to meet the action at the right time. As you refine, preview frequently. Play from just before the area you changed and watch how the narration lines up with the visuals. If the voice still overshoots a moment, add a small pause after the phrase. If it lags, reduce the pause or nudge the speed a touch. Repeat this pattern, preview, tweak, preview, until the key beats feel tight and intentional. And that's it. You uploaded your video, generated the AI voiceover, and synced everything using pauses and speed adjustments. Follow these steps, keep your tweaks small and purposeful, and your voiceover will feel seamlessly connected to your video.